how to change age in Litmatch. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can change your age in Litmatch. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Litmatch account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page. On this page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see your profile icon or your avatar, which stands for your profile. And then once you can see that, just click on it. Then you'll be brought to your profiles page. Now, for you to change your age is by changing your birthday. Once you change your birthday, you can change your age. So to change your birthday, move to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which stands for your settings. And on this page, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select edit profile. And so on the profiles page, you can see your nickname, you can see your lit ID, you can see your birthday. So click on birthday, and you must note that you only have one chance to change your age. Okay, so after changing your birthday once, you will not be able to change it again. So click on change, and so go ahead and make your necessary changes. And then once that is done, move to the top right corner, click on done, and so click on confirm. And so in order for this to be effected, you have to ensure that you add something to the bio. So you can just add something about yourself. All right. And so once you're done, click on confirm, and just like that, your age and your birthday would be changed. So go ahead and try that out now. Thank you for watching.